In the meantime, you can draw around the ready circles, and then you will need to cut them around. So, do you have a pencil?
Yes.
Okay, so please draw the circles around. This exercise will help your child to learn the shapes, because he actually doesn't just look at the picture of a circle, but he actually creates a circle by his hands. So he can actually sense it with his hands and with his eyes as well.
Finished.
Okay, well done. Now you will need to cut the circles out. So this is also a method how to teach him the shape of the circle, because he will need to feel that he needs to go round and round, and actually he will need to turn the paper around to achieve a circle.